Millions of years ago, long before cities, technology, or civilization existed, Earth was a wild and dangerous place. Forests covered the land, predators ruled the food chain, and survival was the only rule. And somewhere in Africa, the story of human evolution quietly began. Around 7 million years ago, the earliest human ancestors appeared. They looked similar to modern apes and lived in forests, climbing trees and searching for food. At this point, they were not truly human yet. But then something important started to change. Some of these early ancestors began to walk on 2 legs instead of 4. This ability, known as bipedalism, was one of the most important steps in human evolution. Walking upright allowed them to travel farther, carry objects, and see predators from a distance. Millions of years later, around 2 million years ago, a new species appeared called Homo erectus. Homo erectus changed everything. They were the first known humans to master fire. Fire gave them warmth, protection from predators, and the ability to cook food. Cooked food provided more energy, which helped their brains grow larger. They also began making stone tools, which allowed them to hunt, cut meat, and survive in harsh environments. But human history was not simple. Another mysterious human species appeared later, known as the Neanderthals. Neanderthals were strong, intelligent, and highly adapted to cold climates. They lived in Europe and Asia and even buried their dead, showing signs of culture and emotion. For thousands of years, Neanderthals and early modern humans lived at the same time. But then something strange happened. Around 40,000 years ago, Neanderthals suddenly disappeared. Scientists still debate why. Some believe climate change played a role, while others think competition with modern humans caused their extinction. And after their disappearance, only one human species remained: Homo sapiens. That is us. Modern humans first appeared around 300,000 years ago in Africa. From there, they slowly migrated across the entire planet, reaching Asia, Europe, Australia, and eventually the Americas. But the most powerful part of human evolution wasn't just physical change. It was the evolution of the human mind. Humans developed language, art, and complex societies. They built civilizations, created science, and eventually developed technology powerful enough to change the planet itself. From simple stone tools to cities, airplanes, and satellites orbiting Earth. All of this came from a small group of early humans struggling to survive in the wild. And here is the most fascinating part. Human evolution may not be finished yet. The next chapter of our evolution might already be beginning.